15-minute chart, right? We are in 15-minute chart. You know the second breakout? This is the second breakout, right?
Yes.
And we have this breakout also. So when people say this is the breakout, eventually most of the time they can see like, okay, maybe the downtrend has started, maybe the downtrend has started, right? So people tend to sell from here, right? But this is the level eventually for good sell. Also, every breakout we look for, right? This is a breakout. If we say also, you can call it is a breakout, right? It is a breakout. Every breakout is an eventually engulfing failed. Every breakout is an engulfing fail. So when we have a breakout, what we do, we break out and we wait for the pullback and then we execute, right? So in the same time, when we have this engulfing zone, which will be an engulfing buy zone, remember, which will be an engulfing buy zone, and at the same time, when it break out, it is becoming an engulfing fail zone. So you are familiar with that process. So when we have a fail zone, that zone become much more powerful zone eventually for the reversal, like the reversal, I mean not the reversal, eventually the trend. So we are in a downtrend, market goes back, eat from here, but this one will be the perfect one, right? This one will be the perfect one. As I said, now look at few example on here. Go to the line chart, and look for the, like, for the buy selling one, it is like this one, right? For the selling one, this one, and we have this, we have, did I admit? Okay, we have this and this. Now look for the buying one, what for the, is there any option to give like automatically capture join? Is there any option? Like I have to go back every single time. Jeremy, you here? Jeremy, you here?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
So basically, I'm showing to you, right? So for the buying one is similar. Like look, so this is the second breakout, right? This is the second breakout, and this is the first one, the high one. So what I said, every breakout is eventually an engulfing failed one. Every breakout. So as you can see here, this is number one, this is another one for this leg only, right? So also this is one and this is second one. So now if you go to the candlestick chart, what you are seeing, in that case it broke out here like this level, and come back eventually here, right? And similar, this is the first level and second level, and market try to come back on this, exactly on this level. So now what I was saying is like, look, every breakout is eventually will see an engulfing fail. It is a sell and eventually becoming a fail zone here, right? Fail zone here, and same scenario for every breakout you will see, and I basically try to do it for a question answering session. Do you guys have any question? I know Carnage, I know you. Jeremy, I know you. Rohit, I know you. Rohit, maybe that's Rohit, I also know you. So Bilal is very new. Do you guys have any question? Jeremy?
Not at the moment, but basically like choosing the zones to trade from. Because like sometimes like when there's a breakout, right? Sometimes it pulls back deep into like original engulfing buy,
Uh-huh.
and then sometimes you just fly from like the engulfings
Yeah,
and
I
sell
will.
in option.
It is. I will show you with the volume one, right? You and I had a chit chat like the volume one, right? So that one is
Hmm.
a cool piece. That one is a cool piece. Let me show you something. Cornish, you have something. I send you personally to you. Look at this part. What that things mean. Let me give you a clear answer. So this is an fresh level. This is a fresh level, right? This is a fresh level. Market did not go like that part yet. So when you have a fresh SNR, it could be H1, it could be 50 minute, but the time frame, H1, if you look for the H1, you go to uh, 30 minutes for the rejection. So this is the fresh SNR for in 1 hour, and we go to 30 minutes. So look the 30 minute. This is the rejection first time we are seeing, right, in the 30 minute. So when you have the rejection on the fresh level, when you have the rejection on the fresh level, and eventually we go to one time frame more lower and look for any engulfing we have in that fresh level when it rejected here, right? When it rejected here. So basically, when it rejected in here, this created an engulfing here eventually, or we have that engulfing. So this is the SOP I send to you, Karnes. Rest of FX Rohit, Jeremy, you will have it today. You will have it today. We will start our session from tomorrow, right? So I will send it to you today. Do not practice it now. Let me show you the full process with the details. Full process with the details, you will know eventually. So that's the one sub. That's sub number one. It is like coming from eventually monthly fresh SNR, weekly rejection, and daily engulfing. If you follow that one, also if you follow weekly, that means weekly fresh SNR, daily rejection, H4 engulfing, and same process daily H4 H1, H4 H1 30 minute. If you follow the scalp for like you are in scalper, if you want to follow on these few pips, then 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute. That's the process you can follow. That's the setup number one, and another setup is the one that we did, I think in last month, in a free session. Jeremy, when you texted me like my SOP and your SOP is almost same, but still you are struggling, right? So you remember that one?
Oh, which one?
The one I posted. The one I posted, like I had a free session last time. Last free session you were in, right? Remember?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you said, you texted to me like, man, your SOP and my SOP is same, but it's still somehow I'm missing some point. I'm talking about that one. So
So we got
we will eventually fix everything in the session from tomorrow. And
okay.
yeah, and Cornage was asking like, bro, is it only 11? Yeah, most of the time, this level is work perfectly. This level, let me show you this level. If you know your direction, this the SNR rejection and the engulfing one work perfectly for every shorter time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. And AV is the one I personally follow. I do not follow like the gap one. I do not try to follow the gap one. Look at the 30 minute. Do we have any fresh level here? So like, here, the current market, this was, let first go to the 30 minute, 1 hour. So 1 hour, this is still creating, so we are not going to count it. um, this is the 30 minute fresh. This is the 30 minute fresh, and let's go to 15 minute. Is any rejection happen just in the last, this candle eventually, just before that candle the rejection happened here, right? So in that case we go to the 5 minute. Do we have any engulfing on the 5 minute? The first one, like if you are an aggressive one, you can eventually take that one, this one. And if you are like, okay, no, I am a little bit, what the opposite word of the aggressive, conservative, right? So that's, you may wait now and you can see, because it is a powerful one now. It is powerful one now. The only reason is we have this, it break out now, it may comes here. Now if you want to filter it, as it is the live market, right? If you want to filter it, try to 1 minute in the same particular area. If you see anything, you can wait for now only this zone. This is the perfect zone for you. If it come back here, this will be the execution for now, and this is like 20 pips you have left. um, this is the 20 pips you have left remaining, our main time frame. So you can eventually drag this trade until here. It is like yep, this level, not this level, sorry, this level. So it is still like 1:2, 1:2. So it is, did I answer, your question? Did I answer your question, bro? So I prefer to ANV. I prefer to ANV. Can we do combine? Yes, yes, yes. FX Rohit is here. He is the most accurate train line draw. What is the perfect word for it? Train line artist eventually. FX Rohit, I have seen him. He draw train lines so perfectly with the A level, B level, and the engulfing level, also with the gap level. To me personally, some people call it gap. This is, to me, it is not gap. To be honest, the gap is nothing for me. Look, only we have, go to any time frame, what we have. I have a buy from here 14. I have a buy from here. So well, okay, look, no, I'm not going to draw it. If you want to see it, you can go it on my channel, you'll have it. So this is an engulfing buy, right? This is an engulfing buy, no doubt. This is an engulfing sell, this is no doubt. So what we have here now, we have buy, we have sell, we have now this candle eventually broke out our buy sell zone, so it is now becoming an engulfing fail zone. And let me look for one perfect example for the sell fail. Sell, where you can see the sell fail, maybe in the upper side. Okay, so this is an engulfing buy, and now it is becoming a fail, like eventually on that candle. So we know how to execute exactly on here when we have a fail. So everything we what I covered right now, we have engulfing buy, we have engulfing sell, we have this candle engulfing buy sell fail, and eventually this candle is engulfing buy fail. These are the 4 terms in the chart. Remaining are 2 things you will left with. Like, what are those 2 things? One is this, like same color candle either buy side, or same color candle either sell side. So if you know how multi-time frame work, go to 1 time frame lower. Eventually what you are seeing now, that gap, this gap is now eventually nothing but an engulfing. And again, go to more time frame. If you know how to filter your zone so precisely, this eventually this whole zone. So we have 1 2 zone. So this whole zone eventually now is your engulfing. And the same process, as I said, if we go to same color, like 2 color candle, this is the same 2 color candle we are having here, and go to 1 time frame lower. Do we have where it is? No, we do not have anything. Go one more further. Still none. Where I was going. Okay, no, maybe I'm not going to see that, but let me see something in the car market. We covered engulfing buy, we cover engulfing sell, we cover engulfing double color, not buy fail, sell fail. Look, any example, like, okay, so look at the right now, this market, eventually this is here, which is, we call a gap SNR, which was fresh. Now it retested. So do we have anything in the 30 minute? Nothing. 15 minute? Nothing. 5 minute? we have an engulfing. So eventually, as I said, now we see the reaction. So that's it, nothing else we have see. So if you know this six pattern, and if you know how to break your time frame, how to know and know your execution level, so eventually these are the six thing on our chart. So you know those six thing, your 80% chart reading is done. Remaining 20% is like your chart experience, when, what, and how. This is the 100%. This 100% takes like the 10% of the knowledge. That's enough. Remaining 90% is all your skill, how you operate in your time frame, how you execute your trade. Anything else? Anything else, guys? I'm not sure why most of my free session you guys don't talk, but in the paid session you guys like talk too much. No one is here now. Okay, Anil Rohit left. Okay, Jeremy. Maybe we are going to end here, right? Cornish, thank you so much for joining. Another my trading buddy, FX Rohit. Menas Theophilus. What is your name, Menas Theophilus? In the group, Mensa Theophilus. Any question, guys? Any question? If not, then we are going to end the session. End the session. Okay.
In forest. In forest.
What?
In forest. In the group. In the group. My name is in forest. In forest. In the group.
Okay, I will look at it. Anyway, FX Rohit, I will text you guys. I'll text you guys tomorrow. I think I send you guys in a note like which time will be perfect. So yeah, I will send you. I will send you today. I had a minor accident yesterday. It's not that big deal. Uh, okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. And maybe we'll see and we'll do another session soon, and we'll see you soon, right? And most of you are already in the session, you will know. Okay, have a great day. Jeremy, I will text you soon. Rohit, I will text you soon. And Cornage, I texted you maybe on the WhatsApp. So have a great day. Have a great day, and bye bye for now.